Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to reduce LV. Okay, so this is my server, and this server, this file system slash db3, I could see this file system is not using that much utilization. So I thought I can reduce 1 GB from here. Okay, so total size is as of now 2 GB for slash db3. Okay, so I will let you know step by step, okay, how to do. But one thing I'm just highlighting here, we are not using lv reduce command in our production environment because of data loss. Might be client will be lost the data, so we are not using this command. But learning purpose, I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, so first step, what you have to do, you have to unmount your file system with umount command. Umount slash db3. If you check now, it say it not showing here slash db3. Okay, so it unmounted. Now what you have to do, you have to run the e2fsck command. Like you have to check if any like error anything is showing or not. So go and run that e2fsck command. E2 hyphen f space. Here we give full path dev mapper gg name and lv name. Yeah. So you can see nothing is showing means all fine. After that, you have to run resize to fs command. Resize to fs space slash dev slash mapper slash vg name and lv name. And after that, one thing just I'm going to highlight here in the last, you have to mention how many GB you want to keep. How many GB you want to keep. Suppose if you have a 10 GB file system and you want to 8 GB keep and 2 GB reduce, then you have to mention 8 GB. So in my condition here, I want to keep 1 GB. So you have to mention here 1 GB because total size is, if you go and check, so I will show you again, because total size is a 2 GB. So I want only 1 GB. So I need to reduce 1 GB. So I'm giving 1 GB here. How much I wanting 1 GB. So that only I'm giving here 1 GB. Yes, it's done now. Now you have to run lv reduce command. Lv reduce hyphen capital L and same size. What you giving here, same size you give here 1 GB. Okay, and again give your full path slash dev mapper your VG name and LV name. See, now it's asking, do you really want to reduce? Yes. So if you see here, this line, logical volume V05 LV06 successfully resized. It means if you check now here with LVS command, you can see now your LV is only 1 GB. So LV reduce 1 GB. Now you go and mount your file system. Mount hyphen A. And now you check your file system. Now you can see your file system is only 1 GB. So this is the way we are reducing the LV. Okay, but again we are not using this command in our production environment because my data loss might be client data loss. Okay, in a cloud we are not using this lv reduce kind of thing because there if you need you go and create one volume and copy source to this and that's it, and remove the new old volume. Okay, that I will let you another, I will means show you in another video. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe my channel and comment also. Thank you.